Welcome to aminacademy.com. In analytical solid geometry, let us discuss about condition for two circles lie on the same sphere. Here, the circle is given. C1 is x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equals 0. And the plan is lx plus my plus nz equal to p. Both combined together represent a circle 1. Like that, circle 2 is given like. Here we have to find the condition that it should be lie on the same sphere. That means these two circles should lie on the same sphere. We have to find the condition for that. Here, that from the first circle, a sphere through the first circle we can write as this first sphere plus lambda times the plan, like here x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d plus lambda times the plan, like the second circle. We wrote here this both. Now here we'll comparing the constants x, y, z term and constant term by comparing the coefficients of x, y, z and constant term from equation, these two equations, that is equation, we'll keep equation 1, this is 2 terms from 1 and 2. Look at here. Here x coefficient is 2u, here x coefficient is 2u days, like y coefficient is here, z coefficient and constant will compare like. That is 2u plus lambda L, that is x coefficient, sum of x coefficients from the first equation, and which is equal to u dash plus mu L dash. This is from second equation. We'll combine both. We have 2u minus u dash plus lambda L minus mu L dash, which is equal to 0. Equation, let it be 3. Like equation 4 is comparing y term to v plus lambda m equal to v dash plus mu m dash, which commonly gives 2 times v minus v dash plus m mu m minus here L mu m minus lambda m and mu m dash. Equation 4. Now comparing z terms, that is 2w plus lambda n equal to w dash plus mu n dash, which is equal, combining together we have 2w minus w dash plus lambda n minus mu n dash equal to 0, 5. Here comparing the constants, look at this constant here d, here lambda minus p, lambda into minus p. like here d minus lambda p equal d dash minus mu p dash, or which is given as minus d times d dash plus lambda p minus mu p dash equals 0, equation 6. Here we have to eliminate from this equation, that is lambda and mu, we have to eliminate. Look at here, eliminating the constants lambda and mu from equation 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we are having the relation like, that is 2 u minus u dash L dash, then 2 v minus v dash m dash minus d dash p and p dash. This is a required relation for that two circles, given circles lie on the same sphere. It is a condition that two circles, given circles, lie on same sphere, lie in the same sphere, lie in the same sphere. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.